This video has been brought to you by Nitrous Outlet. We bought a lifted town car and then blew it up. Damn! The guys over at HooptieX invited us out for the Holly Ford Fest Off-Road Challenge, but we only had one problem. I don't own a Ford at all. So I hopped on Marketplace and I found this 96 Lincoln Town Car. We added the big bull horns to it and a badass set of headers, and then hit up Nitrous Outlet for a whole spray kit for this thing. So I made this genius decision of putting a 200 shot of nitrous on it, and it's on fire. Dumbass. So after we blew up the engine, I made some phone calls and got in touch with my cousin and had him pull me out a new 4.6. We swapped that sucker in overnight. But the real question is, can this new engine handle a 300 shot? 1, 2, 3. I'm dumb, but I'm not that dumb. This time we're gonna get some seat time without nitrous before we blow it up again. So you can literally see that we blew some holes in the block.
He needs some milk.
Take the ramps and blow the car out after we just had our experience yesterday. So right now it's doing good. I think we need to do a little bit more suspension work to it. We really need to put some more power into this thing, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the nitrous on. It's on a 300 shot right now, but I really need to get over these hills. I'm a little nervous about this, especially after we blew everything up yesterday, but we're gonna introduce the nitrous once I get into the throttle and not off the launch, and hopefully we don't have a nitrous backfire and blow this thing up again, but we're gonna send it back. Yeah, well, my battery cable came off. As much as I want to full send this thing and be the one that totals out Ron Burgundy, Drew has been my right-hand man forever. Every car that I destroy, he's always there putting it back together. No questions asked. So I thought it would be best if I let him take Ron Burgundy out and send it. So let's go, baby.
Full send. Fuck it. Man, it's a winner, baby.
Oh, God. Full send. You better go full send, baby. Full send.
I got you.
All right. Here we go.
God damn it. Oh, that hurt my back so bad.
Alright. Woo! We should have LS swapped it.
My name's Tom West. Ford engine's called.
It was the shot heard around Ford Fest.
He's a fucking idiot, you know? What kind of idiot runs nitrogen? Nitrogen.
Nitrogen?
Nitrogen, yeah.
Man, Grandma's gonna be pissed.
What was that like, man?
I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of scary as fuck. I knew it was about to fuck the car up, and I knew it was gonna hurt. It hurt my back a little bit, but I ate my glasses. Did it look cool? Did it look cool? Look good, bro.
Hey, Drew.
Yeah.
You do know now though that you owe me a 10-minute card.
10 minute?
A 10-minute card.
What about 10 days?
10-day card?
Or 10 seconds?
10 seconds. Well, I mean that car only ran 10 minutes. How'd the car do on nitrous, man? You're the one that took it on the jump.
Well, it went airborne. I mean, when I hit, the airbags popped. That was fun. I've never had that happen before. I pushed the helmet up, pushed my glasses up into my eyebrows, and gave me some.
I guess we should have pulled that airbag fuse. They still worked, huh?
Do it for the gram.
Do it for the gram, baby. So the biggest thing that I've learned today, you know, with my experience with Ford is that they suck, man. Absolutely do not buy a Ford. This is terrible.
So long, gay boys!